Man, I'm doing the same thing. I say to myself that I ain't gonna do it anymore this year. I'm saying the same things I promised myself. I ain't do it anymore. My, oh my, it could have been the last time for me. But why, oh why, I wanna do it one more time. Maybe what I'm going through, maybe what you going through, such a crazy world, you know. I've been fighting my demons and you've been fighting your demons. I've been dealing with myself, yet problems are not solved. I just wanna quit one time, but it feels like I should do it for the last time. Man, I just wanna quit one time,